Good morning, children. Open English first book, lesson 3. Lesson name is The Lonely Puppy. Listen carefully. Alba, the puppy, had many black spots on his body. All the black spots made him look grand and royal. He was proud of it, but the other puppies did not take any interest in him. They never came near him. Alba felt unhappy and lonely. Children, in this story, a puppy is here, but he is completely alone. He was very beautiful, very nice, good looking, and looking like a king's family. And he was proud of it, but he has no any friend. All the puppies played together. They always used to be in a tug of war for the piece of bone joyfully. In all these, they fastened their friendship even deep. Alba always gazed them, enjoying in the game, but could not be a part of it. As you know, the puppy was completely alone. He has no any friend. Other puppies played together. They quarrel but enjoy with them, and day by day their friendship became very deep. Alba always looked them enjoying in their group, but he can't do anything because he was not part of it. One day, Bubbly, the old sheep, came to Alba and said, "Why are you all alone?" "Because no one plays with me," said Alba sadly. "But why so? Have you been rough to other puppies?" asked Bubbly to know the matter. There was a Bubbly, old she Bubbly came and asked sorry to Alba, "Why are you alone and nobody is playing with you? Your behavior is not good with other puppies." After listening this, Alba replied, "No, not like this. I always behave good, but nobody taking interest in me." Bubbly went to her mom in the next field. Alba was all alone again. After that, Bubbly went from there, she moved from there, and Alba now alone. A little later, Bubbly returned to Alba and said, "Don't worry, I will soon find out the reason. You keep an eye on those sheep of my mob while I go and talk to the other puppies." Alba was happy now and he had a hope for good. He thanked the sheep. Old sheep Bubbly came again to Alba and said, "You should be not sad. I am going to know what is the reason that nobody is taking interest in you, nobody is playing with you. You will look after of my sheep that are moving in field." After listening that, the puppy Alba became happy. She would surely take out the solution of my loneliness. I would not be lonely alone. She is so sweet. Alba thought a series of things about his new friends. Alba sat by the fence, staring at the sea. After a while, Alba began to feel sleepy, but he stayed at his post and never once turned around. You know, Bubbly went to know what was the reason. Others are not taking interest in Alba. After going her, Alba thinking many types of things. He was thinking that Bubbly will solve his problem, and there will be friends, and they will play with him. As you know, Bubbly said to Alba, "Look after her sheep." So he was keeping his eyes to their sheep, and he was doing his duty very honestly that Bubbly has given him. After a long time, Bubbly came back and laid down beside Alba. The puppy asked, "Why do the other puppies not like me?" Bubbly came again and she sat down near Alba. After that, puppy asked, "Tell me the reason that other puppies don't like me." Bubbly replied, "Those silly puppies thought you must have the measles because your body is covered with spots. But I have spot by birth." Alba said, "I can't do anything with this." Bubbly replied, "Reason is that you have black spots and other puppies are thinking you have any disease, that is infective disease, and due to that black spots that they were other puppies thinking you have any infective disease, they are not taking any interest in you." After listening that, the Alba replied, "I have no any infective disease. These spots are by birth and I can't do anything for this." "Don't worry," grinned Bubbly. Bubbly smiled and said, "I have told those puppies that your spots are not the measles. Now they are your friend. Look, some of the puppies are coming here. Run along and play with them." Bubbly replied, "I have told other puppies that you have no any disease and these spots are by birth and you are carrying this by birth. There is no any disease. So you can see other puppies are coming here and they will play with you." "Oh, thank you, kind Bubbly," said Alba. Then he ran and played with his new friends, and as you know, after that, Bubbly has solved his problem and other puppies became friend of Alba, and after that day Alba has also lot of friends and he became very happy. Thank you.